Hi everyone, welcome to week two. Week one, we had such a fabulous discussion. You guys had so many different kinds of experiences and backgrounds that it really made our discussion very rich, and there were lots of different ways of looking at things, and that's wonderful. I hope all of you did okay as far as the tropical storm. I know that a lot of people were without power. I know we had water issues here and lots of leaves and mess, but a lot of people had downed trees and power outages that lasted for quite some time. So I hope all of you literally weathered the storm well, and that you did see the announcement with regard to last week's work that came out of the registrar's office. So this week, week two, we're going to be looking at sensitivity to learning needs and cultural awareness. And we are going to be looking at English language learners. In schools, you might hear them shorthand referred to as ELs, um, English learners. In early childhood, sometimes they're actually referred to as DLLs, dual language learners, because we know that young children that English is not their first language are actually learning their first language as well. So you may hear either of those. You're going to be reading chapter 11 in your book, and I do have posted some supplemental or optional resources for you to watch. They are short videos, and our week two discussion is going to be about ELs, and you are going to be either writing a paper or doing a presentation about cultural awareness. And just to remind you that you do have an observation assignment. We have sort of changed the assignment because we know due to COVID you're not going to be able to go out into classrooms, but you may want to just refresh yourself with regard to what you're going to need to do as far as watching videos and responding, and not as much of a heavy lift as usual because you don't have to get permissions to go out into classrooms. So when we are discussing, again, English language learners, this week you're going to talk about how to support them in a classroom. And then we're also going to talk about how multiculturalism is defined. And I think given the conversations about race and equity that are happening all over the country and all over the world, this is an incredibly pertinent assignment. I am actually, just so you know, I am on vacation from my day job this week. So if anybody is trying to get a hold of me, I will get back to you within, usually it's pretty quick, but there might be a slight delay this week just because I may not always be near a computer. And in addition to that, if any of you do not have there's a couple of you that don't have your assignments graded yet, those will be graded very shortly and I will get them back to you. Feel free to be in touch with me if you have any questions. See if you can challenge yourself this week when you do your assignment about your multicultural activity. Try a new way to do it. Try Prezi or Google Slides or PowerPoint. Just remember that any kind of presentation you do should also have a narration that goes with it. And if you have any technical difficulties with that, let me know. I have a instructional little video that one of my former students prepared for how she embeds a video into her PowerPoints that may be helpful. So just let me know if you want to take a look at that. Otherwise, I look forward to hearing from all of you or seeing you. If you choose to post perhaps a video announcement or a video post this week for your discussion, that's fine. And feel free to be in touch if you have any questions. Have a great week, everyone. Bye-bye.